Hi, I'm Sherry, and I want to welcome you to Maker Market Studio. This is a great place if you are an artist, a crafter, a maker, and you display your wares and sell your items at craft fairs and markets. And I want to tell you a little bit about just how to create a checklist, how quickly and easily you can do that here on Maker Market Studio. When you first get the studio, all you have to do is hit start, and it will ask you for your first name. You can put it in if you want to, but you do not have to. And what we are going to do today is, because I know I have run into this problem, I have in my mind what I need to take, but I haven't gotten a great checklist, and I'm going to show you how quickly and easily you can do that today. All you have to do is hit 1 for essentials and selling success, and it's going to pull up some of the things that you can do. And we're not going to go into all of those today, but we are going to go into number 4, which is the packing and event prep. And there's a number of things that you can do here, but we're going to today create the packing checklist. And there's a number of things that you can do. You can either highlight it, copy and paste it. If there's numbers there, you can do that. But for right now, we are going to do the packing and checklist. So things that you remember to bring. So there is a comprehensive list of everything that you need from setup. And let's say that we want to create this so we have it as a document that we can do. So create the list so I can copy and paste into a document. And it's going to create a checklist for us that we can again copy and paste. But let's say it divides it up very nicely for us. But we want the checklist with my logo and check boxes. And so it's going to then say, where is your logo? And we can do that. And I have my logo already in my on my desktop, and you can do that, especially if you have brand colors, which is great. You can just have a file for that. And we'll open that back up. And it's going to create an image here for us. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this momentarily, and I'll be right back. Great, it has created a beautiful image for us of everything that we need. And these are some general things. If you want to save this, all you need to do is go here to download, and then you can upload it into a document if you'd like. However, this is pretty general. Let's say that you've got the things that you want for your very own. And so what I've done is I have just created my own. So I'll create a packing and event prep check for candle sellers, indoor market, include the booth items, product displays, payment supplies, marketing materials. It could look a little bit different than this. And you can include, again, anything that you want for your very own. So it might look a lot different than what this does. And again, it's got your booth setup, product displays, all your stands. So it's specific to you. It's not just a general checklist. And then it will come back, and you can do it again as a printable checklist with your own logo and so forth, your own colors. And you can do really anything from there. We can go ahead and go back. And if you wanted to, again, just copy and paste that, you certainly could. So then it takes you back, and if you wanted to do something further, which we're not going to demonstrate today, but you could go to any of these essentials for selling success and do some additional things that this system is really well known for. It's very amazing, does lots of things very, very quickly. If you enjoyed this short demonstration video, I hope you will like it, and you will follow me on Facebook too, but on YouTube, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.